I'm not sure exactly what the problem is, but I saw a couple of videos that showed um, that this taped area may have some conductors that aren't connecting. The problem is the phone will turn on, and yes, I know it's cheap, but the screen will not display. So if I could get some suggestions on how to possibly repair it, I'll put the battery in so that you can see what I'm dealing with. Nothing. And it's weird because I originally had applied some pressure at some point, and the screen appeared, but I'm just not sure, and I don't want to break it. And you can't turn it off from the button. So I'm at a loss for words. If anybody has any tips about the screen or maybe the video card that goes along with that. I'm not a real tech savvy person, but when my LG G4 or G3 had a screen issue, I was able to take it completely apart and follow the instructions for whatever needed to be done. And like I said, I know it's cheap. It's just something that I like to do. I like to try and fix little stuff like this. So if anybody has any idea or suggestions, I've tried to look at some of the videos, but it's all about turning on. The problem is that it's not turning on, but that is not my problem. My problem is that it will indeed turn on. I just can't see it. So help me out if you can. Thanks.